I'm selling a home, if it does have solar and battery, I fully upsell that aspect. Because really, there are so many people now who are, like, I want my next car to be an EV car, right? I just think they're fantastic, they're super quiet. If you want to put a kid in the back, there's no issues there, right? Low running costs, you don't have to go to the Bowser and line up. There's just so many benefits of it. And homeowners want that. Even homeowners who don't have an EV yet, they all know that they will need one in the future. The biggest car manufacturers in the world are all announcing that they're going to EV within the next 5-10 years. There's so many out there that already are. And yeah, like, you need to future-proof the home.